Back in 1972, the automaker from Ingolstadt introduced the Audi 80 on the B1 platform, a two-door sedan that redefined compact car design. Known as the Fox in North America, it quickly became known for its sleek, clean lines and balanced proportions. The Audi 80 marked a significant shift in automotive design, combining elegance with practicality and paving the way for Audi's future.